Good morning everyone. Today we will see unit dose dispensing. Presented by Ruhul Amin, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Assam Downtown University. So these medicine are which are ordered, packed, handled and administered and charged in multiple single dose unit containing predominantly amount of drug supply for sufficient for on regular doses. So unit dose is a single unit package is one which containing pharmacologic doses form, like on tablet, example one tablet, one capsule or injection, it will be called unit dose. So advantage of unit dose is better financial control. It prevents the loss of partially use of medicine. It does not require store facility at the nursing station. The two methods are used dispensing unit are centralized unit dose dispensing system or distribution system, centralized unit dose distribution system CUDD, or DUDD, decentralized unit dose drug distribution system. So a centralized unit dose drug distribution system is CUDD. All the patient drug are dispensing in a unit dose and all the drug are stored in the central area, usually of the pharmacy, or dispensing at the time of dose is due to the given to the patient. So when the patient is required, that time they will give it. Usually that medicine is stored in the central warehouse or central drug store. So drug are retransferred from the pharmacy to the inpatient by the medication card. On medication card or medication order is received, then they will transfer the drug from drug store to patient side. So again, decentralized unit of drug distribution means this operation are a small satellite pharmacy located at the east floor of the hospital. So if you visit some hospital, each floor having a small dispensing area or small satellite pharmacy. So decentralized unit dose means that will keep in the hospital floor pharmacy. So procedure means patient profile card containing full disease diagnosis and is prepared. So once the patient order is coming with full the details of the patient dose required, prescribed are sent directly to the pharmacist which are then entered into the patient profile record. Pharmacists are check the medication order, patient profile card and prescribed order are filled by the pharmacist technician. The nurses administration of the drugs and make the entry into their record. So advantage of the easy for administrative staff, accounting become easier in certain cases, better stability of the products, exofluid, like example is fluid salt or sachet or any kind of insulin induced. So disadvantage means high cost, consume more time and doubtful, will occupy more space of the store. So high cost means if one hospital is 7 bedded, 7 building stair, then you have to make available in 7 different floor. So it will be again high cost is involved. Consume more time and doubtful. Sometimes some satellite pharmacy they don't have and expert pharmacists, so it will be maybe post doubtful. Will occupy more space for storing because different storage area will be required for different satellite pharmacy. Leisure posting and inventory control. So inventory control also little bit problem because the drug is having separate pharmacy satellite. So this is the general flow rate for inpatient. So prescription is written by doctor, inpatient discharge medication, and that prescription is received by pharmacist. Pharmacist filling the prescription and dispense the prescription where free, cost or credit, and they will write that in the inventory control book. So this is general flow chart for inpatient. Thank you. This all about unit dose distribution system.